And our featured guest, Clarios, is one such company that is putting a great deal of focus on making sure that end users of the trucking industry, owner-operators, fleets, repair technicians, mobile technicians, they have the information they need to make a great buying decision and to adjust the batteries that they spec for the vocations of the trucks that they either operate or repairing. Let's get started by listening in to Federico from Clarios talk about a little bit of an overview of their products, but also about the current situation of batteries right now. We're at Apex in Las Vegas, Apex 23, and I'm at the Clarios booth, and I was really happy to come and have a conversation with Clarios today because in trucking, the technology on equipment is rapidly changing. This is having an impact on the electrical systems and the charging systems. And so Clarios is the perfect person to come talk to, a great company because they understand these systems. So I'm really looking forward to having my conversation with this man right here. So this is Federico Morales Zimmerman. He's the Group Vice President and General Manager of Original Equipment, also involved heavily in R&D at Clarios. And Clarios is one of the largest manufacturers of batteries for nearly every type of vehicle. They understand these systems for heavy duty, but they also are involved in all of the electrical systems and batteries for automotive, medium duty, and heavy duty. So Federico, with all of that said, welcome to the Heavy Duty Parts Report.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Glad to have you here. So let's talk about some of the significant changes that we've seen over the last few years. As we were prepping for this conversation, I was mentioning that 25 years ago, when everything was mechanical, it was a completely different world.
Yes.
So give us an overview of really what's driving the need for a change in batteries and electrical systems in general for commercial trucks.
Thank you very much. I think for commercial trucks specifically, we see a couple of fundamental changes in the industry, not only from the technology perspective, but also from a sustainability and circularity perspective. And I think this is where we as Clarios play a key role in how do we design the best value low voltage applications for the truck. The truck now is becoming more digitalized, it's becoming more safer, it's becoming more functionality around autonomies, and those are key enablers that are changing the architecture in the truck. And to be able to design the best low voltage solutions for this, you have to be able to understand the systems of the architecture. It's not anymore simple placing a black box order for a battery.
Right.
It's a process that includes deep understanding, deep collaboration with the truck manufacturer to find the best solution for them.